I recently found online some images how you lift up the Mackie. Make sure you lift it up on the side of the battery frame between the two little arrows which are printed on the plastic. Here I used a bottle jack, which is a cheap option to lift up a car. Of course, if you have a proper lift, which you will see in the video description, or some product recommendations, and as well other options would be like a scissor jack, which I show you shortly. Of course, I'm always between the two arrows and on the side from the battery frame. You don't want to lift at the battery frame. Make sure you don't hit another obstacle like the bolts. Here's the scissor lift, which I mentioned earlier. Again, it's just a cheap solution. Probably a normal jack would be better. Scissor lift raises the wheel as well. You gotta make sure you don't hit the battery frame though. It's a pretty close, tight spot here. Now both wheels are in the air, one with the bottle jack, one with the scissor lift, and the other side I use jack stands. One is 90 degrees to the frame and the other one is parallel to the frame. I really hope this video helps. Subscribe to my channel and like the video. I have plenty of more informative videos on there.